Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn through the simple process of deleting a user account in Windows 10. Many times, we create extra accounts for family members, friends, or even just for testing purposes. But once they're no longer needed, removing them helps in freeing up storage and keeping your system clean and secure. To start, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, then select Settings. From here, navigate to the Accounts section. Once you open it, click on Family and Other Users. Now you'll see a list of accounts that have been added to your computer. Suppose there's an account named Pollock that you no longer need. Simply click on it, and then select the Remove option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you really want to delete the account along with its data. Go ahead and click on Delete Account and Data. Once you confirm, Windows will remove that account completely from your device. This means all personal files, settings, and related data of that user will also be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a user account in Windows 10. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.